Here's how construction insurance works and why your insurance policy may be worthless. My name is Alex Barthet. I'm a board certified construction attorney here in Florida, and we handle lots of construction insurance cases. So we see cases where people think they have insurance when in fact they don't. So the three major types of insurance that we see contractors have are one, work comp that comes as a PEO, like you lease your employees and you get insurance for each of them as they're enrolled, or you get a broad coverage work comp policy. So that's work comp. The second one is auto. So if you have commercially owned autos and trucks, you need to have auto insurance. The third type of policy is general liability. This is the most common. Almost everybody has to have it. And there are two big issues you need to be aware of with respect to general liability. One is that there's not an exclusion in your policy for the type of work you do. So, for example, we see residential exclusions, meaning you can only do work on commercial projects. There are height restrictions, so you can't work above a certain elevation. And if those exclusions exist in your policy, you have no coverage. So be very clear with your broker that you, in fact, are doing the work and have the coverage that you need for that work. The second issue is that insurance only covers damage to other property, property other than your work itself. Clients get this wrong all the time. If you are a mason installing CMU, you do not have insurance for the work itself. So if your work was defective and that caused issues with the stucco or the windows, that's on you because your work was defective. Your insurance does not cover your own defective work. It only covers damage to other property. What does that mean? That means if you're installing these CMUs and one falls over the building and crushes a car, your insurance will cover the car that got damaged, but not your defective work. Keep this in mind to make sure you have the necessary and adequate coverages to protect your business.